the glowing bucket in the corner. So this is my grow light that I bought from eBay for £10. And I think most of that money went on LEDs and the metal clamp, because absolutely none of it went on the plug. And this thing, I wish you could feel this. It's so light and so hollow sounding. Oh, you just get a sense of how cheap it is. And I haven't plugged it in using this because, well, I don't want to kill myself, because I reckon this is going to be horrifying inside. In fact, can I? No. 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 No, it's not going to open. There's a shut line there. Right. Let's get the pliers on it and see if we can get this open and see what horrors lurk within. Pliers did the job. It's open. So that just pulls off the front there. 2 DC wires. Will it come out in one go? Yeah, it will. Oh, there's not much in there, is there? Very cheap, very nasty. What do we have? Ugh. What's that? A bit of foam? Why is there a bit of foam stuck on there? There's not a lot on there at all, is there? What you got? Mains in. Fusible resistor. Bridge rectifier here. You got. That's going to be your big cap. 400 volt job. Yeah, 400 volt. One of these little buck boosts, not little, switching circuits, high speed switching circuits. And there's your cap to drive that. So that basically triple charged. So you've got 400 volts across. That will have a supply of a big resistor somewhere, probably that one. The diode to triple charge it. And then that will switch the inductor, which is this one. That gives you your output, and there's no feedback. What is that? Is that a MOSFET? What is it? Oh, it's a diode. Oh, it's a diode going across the gate. I reckon they've used a transistor as a diode there. That's a bit odd, isn't it? It's a bit shiny and bright, this is, isn't it? So output of that has absolutely no feedback going across to this stage. There's no class Y capacitor going across. In fact, there's a space for it. Got one there. See, CY1. So there's a class Y capacitor, which is basically noise suppression. Although you probably wouldn't want to put it in anyway, because it's just another thing for this to fail compliance at. Yeah, so unregulated output, no feedback, so you have no idea what the voltage on the output of this is. So it won't be 5 volts, it'll be somewhere between probably 1 volt and 400 volts. Isolation is okay. That's the gap between the two. That is, of course, depending upon the quality of the transformer, which I don't think is going to be high quality. Yeah. Don't buy cheap plugs. Honestly, it's not worth it. These sort of things are awful.